Welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the midday analysis of 12th of April 2017. Okay guys, first of all I'm going to talk about the market because it's the third day and the market is almost in the range, and it looks like that there is no decent movement in the market. But overall, I just suggest all traders to do scalping because taking long position is not recommended when the market is making such a pattern. And everything was perfect in the previous weeks, and you know that we were doing quite perfect. But right now the market momentum is not up to the mark, and that's why I'm suggesting all traders to do scalping, not to enter into a very good long positions. Okay, let's start our discussion today with New Zealand USD. I'm going to the chart here. Okay, we have seen some good momentum on New Zealand USD today. You can see that the market went in the top overbought levels after a decent upward trend. The market was into the overbought levels, and you can see we have technically we have two dodges here, and then we have waited for the fall, and New Zealand USD has came down. And as far as I remember, I have also predicted a sell position yesterday on New Zealand USD, and even if we talk about today, I have also predicted a bearish trend on New Zealand USD, and that was the report sent to the subscribers in the morning. It was a complete bearish prediction from my side. Okay, so you can see yesterday market went in the overbought levels. We were getting a rejection from the market, and then when we talk about this morning, then hourly candle was closed below the dotted blue line, and it was making a bearish pattern. Everything was going down, so that is why I decided to enter into a sell position, and that's why I have also put the sell signal in my signals report according to the analysis. And if you have this trading system, then you can clearly see the hourly candle was closed just below the dotted blue line, and 1, 2, 3, 4 hours we have find New Zealand USD down on the pair. Okay, right now you can see that we have a little hammer here on New Zealand USD. So guys, now I think it's a time to be a bit alert on this, because maybe it's possible and that for a couple of hours New Zealand USD can go up, because this is a little hammer here. So maybe this hammer can take the New Zealand USD a bit up. Okay, let me just make this clear to you. Okay, just a second please. So we are here at the moment, so I can say that maybe for some time we can expect New Zealand USD up to the dotted blue line, and once it again comes up in the dotted blue line range, then we can expect more downfall on New Zealand USD. Okay, let's talk about Euro USD right now. So it was difficult to trade Euro USD today, but everything went perfect right now. Okay, so as I have told you that scalping is on. Yesterday I also supplied the sell signal to my traders, and today also. So what happened yesterday, you know, that I have supplied the sell signal, the market went in the top overbought levels, received a sell signal. Even the scalper has provided you with a sell opportunity here. Look, that's the red arrow here, and then you can see the market was sliding down. Okay, so in the morning when I was preparing this signals few hours ago, then the market was just making a slight bullish pattern here, and then I have supplied the bearish signal again to my subscribers. You can see that was the signal for Euro USD today. I was just expecting the market to go bit up, and then it will go down. So guys, you need to understand this thing, that what I am talking about New Zealand USD at the moment, that if it comes up again to the dotted blue line, then we can also expect selling from here, because right now we have a hammer here. Let it go bit up, then we will sell this pair again. But take your one decision on a pair when you have the analysis of the day, then you should go with the trend analysis of the day. That's always better to understand the market. Okay, so it went up, and then it's we have a doji here, and now according to the technical analysis, that was a pretty fine trade because it has no problems. So when the doji arises, I keep myself quite alert with the trade here. So I was just expecting a reversal from here, and and you know that the doji appeared after a little upward trend. Then it was almost sure that the next trend should be down, and that's what happened with Euro USD today. Okay, right now look here. We have another doji at the oversold level. Now be careful with this because selling can be handy at this stage. Let me look at the 4-hour chart. Yes, if you look at the 4-hour chart, you can see that the Euro USD is still above the dotted blue line. But if you talk about the previous trend here, then we have a upward trend before that. So you can say that buying could be risky, but if you talk about me, then I do not buy Euro USD because I will let Euro USD to come up so that I can re-enter into a sell position. That's what I can expect on Euro USD. Buying can be handy because I have shown you the 4-hour chart. We have upward trend before this, and it can go in another direction, so be careful with this. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound JPY. I have predicted a sell position today according to my signals report. You can see here that was a bearish expectation from my side. Now guys, you can see a straight rejection from the overbought levels. We have received a sell signal at the top. The previous trend was bullish. The market was making a bullish pattern from the morning, and I have supplied my sell signal from here. You can see that this was my report sent to the subscribers in the morning. So we received a sell signal, the market started making a bearish pattern, and right now if we compare this line, if I draw this line, so guys, we have two things here that I can understand according to the technical analysis. Okay, we have an upward trend before, we have a valid hammer here after an upward trend, and guys, we have a doji next to the hammer. So if we talk about this, everything is talking about the trend reversal, and it's giving signals that Great Britain Pound JPY can go more down as per the analysis. Okay, what next is on yes, USD Canadian dollar. So guys, not a good pair to trade today, but overall I'm just putting a line here. Now you can count the number of hours. It's just ranging, it's just flat at a certain point. But I have taken a sell position, and I have also supplied the sell signal to my subscribers in the morning. So why, you can see hourly candles were closed below the dotted blue line, so I was just expecting it to go more down. So you can see this is not a very good valid trade. I mean, this is just like scalping, and you need to be careful right now because this is not a good pair to trade at the moment because it's in a range, and you know, when something goes out of the range, then it goes drastically. So guys, be careful with that. Okay, what's next? Yes, I have already discussed about the trades till now. So guys, be careful with everything. Market is not good from few days, and you cannot say that it's good for trading. The market is having a slow momentum, so maybe it will take one more day to get settled things, and hopefully then it will be fine. Anyways, guys, I have explained you according to this trading system. The top red boundary is the overbought levels. When the market enters here, you can see a valid bearish pattern. You can sell the pair. When the hourly candle closes below the dotted blue line, you can sell more. Look, the market went down. When it closes above the dotted blue line like this, you can scalp the market for an hour or two. The market has gone up. Like here, you can see it was closed above. We can see more bullish trend here. And when the market enters the lower red boundary and the bullish chart, if the bullish pattern starts, then you can definitely buy the pair. So guys, if you want to get this trading system, if you want to subscribe to Forex Signal Service, if you want to get the Forex video lessons to improve your trading technique and request for live coaching, then please send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please find this email in the description of the video below. Like my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with others. Thank you for watching the video.